Today I'm going to read Bugs Don't Bug Me. What is an insect? An insect's an animal whose body is divided into 3 parts. It has a head, a thorax, and an abdomen. Insects also have 6 legs. Here we can see the head carries the antenna and the mouth parts. The thorax carries the legs and the wings. And the abdomen carries the stomach and sometimes a stinger. Body parts. Insects all have different shaped bodies. Some have big eyes to see at night. Some have large antennae to feel things. Some have strong legs for jumping. Keeping in contact. Insects communicate with each other in different ways. Some use special sounds and some use special smells. Here we see a female firefly. Fireflies flash lights at each other. Can't wait for summer to see that. And a grasshopper chirps by rubbing its back legs against its wings. Growing up. Some young insects look like their parents. These are called nymphs. A nymph sheds its skin several times until it's fully grown. Leaf hoppers shed their old skin. Insects hatch from eggs. Changing shape. Some young insects do not look like their parents. These insects are called larvae. Maggots, grubs, and caterpillars are all larvae. This caterpillar will grow up to become a moth. This grub will grow up to become a ladybug. Here we see eggs. The caterpillar hatches from the egg. The caterpillar's inside the cocoon. The moth breaks out of the cocoon. And then we have an adult moth. On the move. Many insects can fly. Some insects fly alone and others fly in swarms. Insects fly to find food and escape from danger. To fly, the deer fly tilts its wings and beats them. Beetles hold their wings out straight like an airplane. Did you know that hornets have 2 pairs of see-through wings? The wings are joined together with tiny hooks so that wings beat together in time. Insect food. Insects eat different types of food. They eat plants and small animals. They also eat rotting wood, blood, and even wool. Bees eat the pollen from flowers. Leafcutter ants carry small leaves back to the nest to make food. Robber flies can catch bees in midair and eat them. Keeping safe. Insects defend themselves in different ways. Some stay safe by being the same color as their surroundings. Remember, that's called camouflage. The velvet ant looks like a bee with a stinger. This keeps it safe. When in danger, this beetle squirts blood with poison in it. This beetle squirts a smelly liquid to keep enemies away. Home life. Some insects build amazing nests. Some build alone and some build nests together. These nests may be built from mud, wax, leaves, or wood fibers. The queen bee here starts building the nest and worker wasps help make the nest bigger. Termites build huge mounds filled with many tunnels and chambers. Living with insects. Insects can help people and hurt people. Without insects, such as bees, flowers would not grow seeds. Other insects carry disease and harm our crops. A swarm of locusts eat so much that they can strip a farm of its crops. In some countries, mosquitoes carry a deadly disease called malaria. And in some countries, dung beetles get rid of animal manure.